I'm marking the studs here for two reasons. A, makes it easier when I install the bracket to shoot the screws into the studs. B, I've got the big fence here to make sure that none of the studs interfere with the locations I'm going to choose for the little arms that hold the fence pieces up off the ground. I realize watching a saw cut isn't very exciting. The reason I put this footage in here was I wanted to show you how you can do some simple, fancy saw cutting to make it look a little more visually appealing. I left this footage in on purpose to show how I marked the locations, and before I actually shot any screws or drilled any holes, I walked over to the two fence pieces and looked at where I planned to put these little short arms to see if that would actually work. The last thing you want to do is build this thing and then find out that you put it in the wrong spot. Measure twice, cut once principle. I used a short lag screw as something to screw into the tips of the arms just to keep the wood from sliding off on accident. You could use whatever you want. If you do the math, shooting a 3-inch screw into the wall here would only give you 1 inch of bite into the stud because you have to account for the thickness of the drywall. Whenever I screw anything through drywall in a 2x4 these days, I use 4-inch screws. If you're wondering whether you're really on the stud or not, it's easy. See how it sucks it tight up against the wall? You know you're on a stud when it pulls it tight against the wall. As always, thanks for watching!